Hello, and welcome to the assembly instructions for the 757 CARES face shield. Our 3D printed design is similar to those being used all around the globe in this time of need. Our shield is not intended to be a primary form of protection. It is intended to be an extra barrier for an N95 or a surgical style mask. Before assembly, we recommend cleaning the shield and the headbands thoroughly, following any institutional guidelines which may be in place. At a minimum, we recommend cleaning with a bleach solution and allowing the bleach to be in contact with the headbands and the shields for at least 1 minute. Our headbands are made out of PETG or PLA plastic. To assemble the shield, simply stretch the clear sheet over the tabs on the headband by placing the pegs through the provided holes. We are doing our best to provide elastic for the provided headbands, but unfortunately it is in short supply. Other items such as rubber bands or hair ties can be used in place of the elastic. We're a community of makers, friends, and neighbors, all trying to do whatever we can. Thank you for all that you're doing for us. If you wish to contact us, you can find us on Facebook by searching hashtag 757CARES 3D printed face shield. Again, thank you and stay safe.